Hey guys, it's Jake Mace, the vegan athlete. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I am wearing green, even though I'm not Irish. Maybe I'm part Irish. I'm mostly Swedish. A lot of people go out and they break Lent today and they have a huge feast that usually involves a lot of animal products. So I want to encourage you guys to please make the vegan diet part of your St. Patrick's Day feast. A lot of folks drink beer and get plastered. Maybe drinking kombucha is a better alternative to getting plastered full of vodka or regular cheap beer or something. I'm gonna do an amazing video tonight on my channel about how I make a healthy green beer at home. I'm wearing my green stock garden shirt. If you guys wanna check out a video I did with these amazing tower gardens, I'll put the link down below or in the upper corner of this video. But today, instead of getting drunk and instead of eating a ton of bad food, I'm gonna go inside the Jake Mace vault.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Hey everybody, I'm Jake Mace, the vegan athlete. Thank you for joining me here at my YouTube channel. Life's all about yin style of workouts, the Tai Chi, yang style of workouts, the martial arts, the push-ups, the fitness. But also life's about what you put in your body. So true physical human health has to do with the yin, the yang, and the internal. What you put inside the mouth that becomes the skin, organs, and cells and blood becomes who you are. And you guys know what this means. I got an awesome box here again from the Miami Fruit Company. You guys can find them in the description and comments below on Facebook at Miami Fruit. And I want to show you guys today what's in the box because the fruit that I get from Miami Fruit Company is seasonal. And so every box that I get from these guys is like a little piñata. You never know what's going to be on the inside. And I always take this paper and compost it. And as usual, which is kind of like the staple of the Miami Fruit guys over there in Florida, is their bananas. They have all kinds of different kinds of bananas. We had the Pitogo circular bananas last time. It looks like now it's some little like 1,000 finger bananas, but they have such a wide variety of bananas that are always new because there's different banana varieties in season at different times. What's in this one? It could be an egg like Khaleesi would have in Game of Thrones. Ooh, a mango, that looks great. And right here I've got a bag of lychees. This is gonna be my favorite. I love lychees. Some people call them lychees. In Chinese they call them li zhi. And I really am excited to eat these guys because they come fresh from the tree. I know they were picked just a few days ago and shipped to me right away. So here's how I eat them. Check this out. They look so beautiful in here. And you could just eat them with your hands and just take them and pull them open. I always pull that part open first. And then what I'll do is I'll take the skin and I'll compost it or I'll throw it in my lychee tree as mulch. And that's the fruit on the inside. It looks like a clear, delicious orb that was a gift from the gods above, if you believe in that sort of thing. I first went to China and I was 19 years old and I tried lychees the first time and I'm taken back to that time every time I eat one. So good. You could probably grow a tree from that. When the camera turns off in about 5 minutes, this whole bag of lychees will be an endangered species because I'll be eating it all. Okay, let's see what's inside this one here. It's like 100 degrees today in Phoenix, so really cool compared to the normal temperatures, but it's like almost 70% dew point temperature, so it's really humid. And we had rain last night. First time in months I had about 20 minutes to 30 minutes of rain. So the monsoon season has started. So that's why I'm sweating like a beast here, because of the rain and humidity. That's a really cool looking mango there. The mangoes, I feel like they need about a day or two more to ripen. This one is ripe. I'll eat it for you guys in a second. If you guys stick with me for 1 minute, I have a second box to show you besides this one. So stay tuned, because the second box is really amazing. Let's see what's inside this one here. Oh man, we have dragon fruit. That looks really amazing. People call it by different names, but I just like dragon fruit, a typical name for it. And let me cut this one open for you guys right now. Check this out. I got the knife here, and we can actually cut this in a way where we can pull a sliver out. Watch this, I'm gonna be skillful. You guys have seen my other videos here at the Vegan Athlete channel that I've eaten dragon fruit, but this one is not your typical variety. This one is red flesh on the inside. Look at that color. Amazing stuff, pretty amazing. So check this out, this is gonna be really delicious. The cool thing about dragon fruit is that it's super nutrient dense, really good form of anti-inflammatories. And the seeds, the black seeds, you can crunch them. Where a normal prickly pear fruit, tunas, the seeds are not really crunchable. The dragon fruit, they are, so check this out. That is really good. It's not as sweet as like a mango. It's just juicy and amazing. I'm always an advocate of eating foods that have really incredible coloring. So think about, look at my eyes and look at my sweat and my skin and my hair and my, my muscles, everything that I've got that's part of me. And this is gonna become that, tomorrow, the next day, next week, next month, next year. So that vibrant color, humans are drawn to foods of color, which is why a lot of corporations make the fake man-made food colorful, because they know humans will buy it. So if you guys can eat the colorful fruits like this, like dragon fruit from nature, you're gonna be the healthiest human on the block and live a long time and be an active member of your family as you get older. And last but not least here, let's see if this one, another red banana. That is super cool. I love these red bananas. Here's a little banana trick for you guys. When they're ripe, instead of opening up this end, the handle, hold that end in your hand, and you can pinch the butt part right here and just pull the peeling back. It's a really great way, an easy way, even for kids, to peel their bananas. When I was a kid, I could never peel bananas. They wouldn't break open for me. And now I know that method. Oh my God. Miami fruit. If you guys are watching, that's the best banana I've ever had. Just the consistency of that one is really amazing. It's almost chewy, like taffy. These videos just an excuse for me to eat the fruit in front of you guys. Amazing stuff. Let me cut open one of these mangoes that's the most ripe. So let's open this guy up and show you guys what this looks like on the inside here. Ooh, it's a really nice color. Smells really ripe. And then I got some of the purple stain of the dragon fruit in there too. So we're gonna just cut this open, and this knife is really sharp, so I'm not gonna cut my hand. Be very careful. Then you just take it and break it backwards, and then all the mango chunks just kind of stick out of there, and then you can eat it. Ooh man, that is so smooth. That is very, very good. And when it's all done, you can compost that, put it in your mango trees as mulch, or give it to your tortoise. They love that. Stay tuned, let's fade out right now, and I'll show you guys the delicious fruits that came in package number 2. Check this out. It's like little slices of heaven from the gods.